Hello and welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review apps to put on your phone and make a little bit of money right now. I have hundreds of apps to review and tell you all about, but today we're going to backtrack just a little bit and talk about a relatively new opportunity to earn very easy passive income on your PC. Whether it be a desktop or a laptop, it works on both. Now, even if you don't have a PC, you might want to consider getting a used one after I tell you about the earnings from this application. And in a video in the future, I will show you many other ways that you can earn on your PC. But today we're going to be talking about Pay2Search. Earn passive income while your PC is idle. Pay2Search offers a true passive income solution, eliminating the need for constant work, waiting for tasks, or worrying about bans and restrictions. Once set up, your browser automatically performs searches while your PC is on but not in use, earning you money in the background. No effort, no risk, just a simple and reliable way to earn extra income while your computer does the work for you. So I watched my computer while this application is running, and every now and then it'll just simply do a search, a Google search, and open up a tab to a website. Now these websites are paying Pay2Search to have different IP addresses visit the site for a couple of minutes to give it hits and help it move up the search rankings. So that's all it does. It'll just visit a site for a couple of minutes and then it'll close it, and then it'll wait for a new job to come in and then go find and search for that site. Can this run while my monitor is off? Yes, and it's a great way to increase your earnings. As long as your computer stays on and you don't close your laptop lid, the program will continue running even if your monitor is off. Many users let it run overnight while they sleep to maximize idle time and earnings. So like I said, I just have a desktop PC that runs 24/7, so this fit in perfectly with it. And then all the other applications that I have on there that I'll be showing you very soon. So I signed up 5 days ago and I've already earned $4.05. So that's about 80 cents a day, and I've read some users reporting that they're earning $1 a day. Cash outs are through PayPal once you hit a $2 minimum balance, and Bitcoin with an $11 minimum balance. So it was real easy to set up. You just simply go to Pay2Search, you download a link, and then everything just kind of runs on its own. So I highly recommend it as a very easy way to earn passive income, almost $1 a day or up to $1 a day. It's really worth it. If you found this video helpful, I will leave a link in the description on how to sign up for Pay2Search. That will be my referral link, and I'll get a little bit of kickback if you sign up under my link. I would greatly appreciate it, and it helps me to make more of these videos. That's it for now. We will see you soon with another app review. Thanks.